In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Hummer H2 key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. You won't need any special tools or anything like that to get it done, and the whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things that you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and a battery, which for this device is a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, you can go check out the link down there in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. The first step here is just to look on the bottom of your device, right to the right of where the keyring attaches. You can see there is an indentation right there, right along the seam in the plastic. And you can just take your flathead screwdriver and insert it into that area. Just wiggle it in there until it's kind of stuck in, and then give a twist. Twist until you feel the device start to open up, and then you can just pull it apart with your fingers. Best thing to do from here is just to gently lift up on the battery. Just grab it with your finger and lift up, and the entire board will come out with it. And just handle the board by holding it on the sides so you don't damage anything. And all you want to do is just slide the battery right out of there. See if we can get it. There we go. Slide the battery out. Dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. And you just want to slide it under this piece of metal here, positive side up. And now we can just put it all back together. So take the front of your device that has the rubber in there, and you're just going to drop the circuit board right in there with the battery facing up. And now we can just click the back section of plastic back on there. And just like that, you have a new battery in your device. It should last you for many years, and you are finished. If you found that video helpful, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here on this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. You can also get that information over at our website, FobBattery.com.